Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top right corner, click to your profile. Then navigate to Account Settings section. It will then take you to Account Setting page. There you can see Communication section. Since I have a demo version account, I don't have that option available. But if you have a real trading account, you will see a Communication section there. Click on it, then click to Edit Email Address. Select the email address that you want to edit, then update the details. Verify your new email address, then click to Save Change. Then your email address will be changed in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.